guys, welcome to Angie's Table. Today we will be doing pantry organization. This is Grace's pantry, of course. Everything is Grace's. Messy pantry.
Look, it's Essie.
Essie's staring. And your face is so close to that. Pantry is one of those areas where all the kitchen clutter just gets hidden away behind these doors. So let's go ahead and clean that up today.
Before we moved into this home, we actually already decreased the amount of pantry items we were going to bring back with us. But over the time that we've been living here, we actually started accumulating a lot of pantry items to the point where it got very disorganized and messy, and it was starting to get really hard to find things in our pantry. So today we're going to show you how to reorganize your pantry in both an aesthetically pleasing and realistic way.
So let's get to it. So, this is so close up. The first step is to remove everything from the pantry, and we're gonna categorize things so we know exactly what we have. Now Grace is going to vacuum the pantry and then clean the floors with the hardwood floor cleaners.
So we're going to be showing you guys some of the organizers that we purchased for this pantry reorganization. So I purchased this 4-piece kitchen bin set at Costco for $20. I had some similar items saved on my Amazon account, but I decided to go ahead and buy these because the price was more affordable than the ones on Amazon. But we can link the ones also on Amazon if you can't find it at your Costco.
And these baskets, we got these at World Market, and it was $14.99 for each, which isn't too bad, but World Market also has a really good rewards program. So they had 20% off, so we did 20% off plus a $10 coupon, so we got these two for like $11 with tax. So we bought these at Walmart, and we're gonna reuse this for the pantry organization. This container we got from IKEA, and they're actually out of stock now, so hopefully they restock. And these labels, we got them on Etsy. It was pre-printed. So we'll put the link below if you guys like this label. And also to show you guys something kind of cool that we do. At the bottom of all our jars, we put expiration dates because we obviously take it out of its original packing and we won't know the expiration date if you don't use it for a while. So we labeled these expiration dates onto the bottom of every jar. So Grace is gonna organize all the canned foods right now, and we have a lot of black beans. So she's gonna put all the black beans into one container. And in this lovely basket we have, we're going to store this at the most bottom, like on the floor. We're gonna just put all our bags of rice and eat this often, so this is really bulky and we have nowhere to put it. So put it in here along with some of the extra Ziploc bags that we have. So now we're done. We're gonna go fill our pantry with our items. Let's go.
So we hope you guys enjoyed our pantry organization video.
Just to give you guys a brief overview of how we positioned everything, we put the items that we use more on an everyday basis at eye level so it's easily accessible.
Things that we do not use on a daily basis, we put at the top of the pantry, and heavier items such as canned goods are at the bottom of the pantry.
So we hope you guys get motivated to stay organized and let us know if you guys actually do a pantry clean out.
Stay tuned because we have a couple of fall decor videos coming up.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you guys have any questions, and we'll see you on our next video.
What are you doing, Essie?
Essie, do you like it in here? Do you like the new pantry? Do you like your snacks there?
She wants something.